Hello boss, you can see our entire production process, and this part is the laser cutting group. You can see the material will be divided in here. And this part is the bending group. Our workers is doing work now. You can see. And you can see this part is product assembly. Our product will be assembled in here. You can see. And here is our finished product package. You can see we package the whole products into the cable box. This is our product inspection team. Your product will be inspections in here before leaving the factory.